Airtasker is now available in New Zealand. From painting your bach to painting your nails, you can get anything done on Airtasker. Here's how it works. Step 1. Head to airtasker.com or download the app. Step 2. Post your task, like furniture assembly. Tell us what you need, where and when, and suggest a budget. It's free to post. Your task gets shared. Our taskers make offers and share why they'd be ideal for this task. Step 3. Review your offers. You can compare and choose from rated, verified and reviewed taskers ready to work straight away. Airtasker holds your money safe with Airtasker Pay. You can chat more about your task and arrange a time after you've accepted the tasker. Step 4. The tasker arrives and completes your task. Step 5. You release the payment and leave a review. Job done. Until the next time. You can get anything done on Airtasker, from everyday tasks like repairs, cleaning, gardening, delivery and furniture assembly, to rarer tasks like creating a unique experience for a date night or party, and everything in between. Airtasker. Task smarter.